All right, you've created a no submission assignment and you are ready to use that with students. Let's take a look and see how the student is going to see that assignment. You can see that I have an example right here for a no submission assignment in this module. And if I click on that in student view, here's what I'm going to see. So in this particular example, we're assuming that the students are going to conduct an in-class discussion about a lab they have done in class. So I have an overview of that. I then have some instructions that include the discussion questions for the students. And then I'm telling the students here to mark that as done. Notice there's a rubric at the bottom of the page that tells the students how they can get their 10, 7, 4, or 1 point for their in-class discussion. So again, you can grade this as a teacher. You'll be able to grade using the rubric even though the students don't submit anything. So as a student, I have to scroll to the top and I have to select Mark as done. Once I have done that, if I return to modules or click next at the bottom of the screen, I will then have the next item available to me. And that is what a no submission assignment placed in a module with a requirement looks like for students.